The Blake's hitch is a commonly used friction hitch to ascend a climbing line. It's a safe knot to climb on. You should add a stopper knot at the end for extra safety. Alright, let's tie the Blake's hitch. Start by forming 4 coils around your climbing line. Make sure there's enough working end left on your hitch cord to add the stopper knot at the end. Forming multiple coils around the climbing line is something you see often by a variety of friction hitches. If your finished Blake hitch doesn't grip well and keeps sliding or creeping, then you should use a hitch cord with a smaller diameter than your main climbing line. After forming the 4 coils, take the working end and go over the standing part of the hitch cord. Continue by going underneath the climbing line. Now grab the 2 first coils and poke the hitch cord through them. Next, set and dress the knot. Tie off with a stopper knot. If you didn't get it all, we have some step-by-step pictures coming up next. Now we show you step by step how to tie the Blake's hitch. Take your hitch cord and start by forming 4 coils around the climbing line. Don't worry if they're not tight yet. You can easily correct this at the end. Do however make sure you have enough excess cord to tie off with a stopper knot. Take the working end and go over the standing part of the hitch cord. Then go underneath the climbing line as shown. Next, take the working end of the hitch cord and poke it through the 2 bottom coils. Then set and dress the knot. Finish by adding an additional stopper knot. We used a figure 8 knot. Check out our other video on how to tie the figure 8 knot. That's it for the Blake's hitch. Please give a thumbs up as a thank you. Make sure to subscribe so you will get notified when we add new content.